going to play one of our favorite games, which is the sticker game.
Everyone loves stickers.
Everyone loves stickers.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to play this game after working on the language of before, after, and between. All right, close your eyes.
Okay, they're closed.
I'm going to hide a sticker under a block.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, open up. I'm hiding a sticker under the block that comes before 7.
Ooh, okay, so here's 7. Before 7 is 6.
Nice.
Yes!
Woohoo! You get the sticker.
All right. Can I hide one now?
Sure.
Okay. Close your eyes. Open your eyes.
Okay.
I'm hiding a sticker under the block that is between 3 and 5.
Okay, so I'm going to find the 3, and I'm going to find the 5. So between is 4.
Yay!
Yay!
Good job.
That was a great one.